Imagine this. You've created an amazing shirt design, sales are soaring, then suddenly a cease and desist letter arrives. A company claims you've stolen their design. Or worse still, you're facing a trademark infringement lawsuit. I'm Anna from Amanya IP. I learnt about IP through my journey in protecting my own work as a designer. We guide creatives, entrepreneurs, business owners, educators, youth and students through the maze of intellectual property to help prevent these nightmares. If they do happen, we'll help you learn how to minimise the impact. Intellectual property can be confusing and expensive. Misusing a single image could cost you £5,000, and an IP lawsuit might set you back £35,000 in legal fees alone. Our mission is to empower you through legally approved talks, workshops and courses. We help you understand IP in everyday language. Whether you're preparing for a meeting with an IP solicitor or taking steps on your own, we've got you covered. Don't let IP issues derail your success. Register for one of our workshops and courses in the link below. Amanya IP, intellectual property talks, workshops, courses and coaching at www.amanyaipcourses.com. Amanya IP. Own your creations, safeguard your intellectual property.